In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send and accept Collaborator requests in Shopify. Collaborator Access is a safe way to let a developer or trusted partner work on your store without giving them your login details. Shopify uses a Collaborator request code to make sure only people you approve can ask for access. In this walkthrough, you will find that code and share it the right way. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. Once you are in, look to the lower left area of the screen and open Settings. Inside Settings, find and select Users and Permissions. This is the section where Shopify manages everyone who can access your store, including staff accounts and collaborators. On the Users and Permissions page, scroll down until you reach the Collaborators section. Take your time here, because this is where you control how collaborator requests are handled. Next, make sure the setting called Only People with a Collaborator Request Code can send a collaborator request is selected. This option is important because it prevents random or unwanted requests from reaching your store. With this enabled, only someone who has the code you provide can submit a collaborator request. Right near that setting, Shopify will display your 4-digit collaborator request code. This code is what your developer needs in order to request access properly. Copy the code exactly as shown, and then send it to your developer through a secure, trusted channel you normally use for work communication. Be careful not to post this code publicly or share it broadly, since it acts like a gatekeeper for collaborator requests. After you send the code, your developer can use it to submit their collaborator request from their side. Once they do, you can return to the same Users and Permissions area to review incoming collaborator requests and approve the one you recognize. That covers everything you need to know.